up, y'all? What's going on?
Welcome back to another Taste Test
Tuesday. Turning up on Tuesday.
Morgan.
Back in this thing. Back. First time.
Morgan. Matter of fact, y'all see where Morgan just came from. Morgan. It's time for Taste Test Tuesday. Hey. Taste Test Tuesday? That's why y'all see she's looking like this. Cause old sister was asleep. Or fake sleep or something.
No,
I'll show the folks what we got. You want to show them?
What do we have here?
Bam! Whew. It's gonna be kind of crooked. This is a Morgan's pick.
Pinkle?
This is Pulparindo. Don't make me lie to y'all. Pulparindo. I don't know. And it's made with real fruit, and it says it's the original tamarind bar. I don't know. And I forgot to tell y'all, it's hot and salty tamarind. Uh-oh. I hope it ain't too hot. But this is Morgan's pick. Where'd you get this from? Oh, girl. Let's get into this video. Y'all wanna know what I was hollering about? I thought it was on her leg. It's these. The lashes. I thought it was a spider or something. Anyways, here we go. Break this sucker open. Morgan, where you learn these from? YouTube. She learned from YouTube.
Is it hot?
I thought it would have been your friend. Did she ever played him before? Our friend Selena. I love her name. Our friend Selena. Holla at her. Oh, it's a bar. Where you go? It had no smell to it. Here.
Now,
You want to try it?
If I start acting up.
For what? Alright, so it comes in a box of 20. Hopefully these are good. We are kind of far. But hopefully these are good. I don't know if Morgan's going to taste it or not today. It's, ooh.
Nice stuff.
I don't know. It smells like, this supposed to be candy?
Ain't no smell to this.
So, let me show you what it looks like.
Stuff.
Don't say this. You can't knock it till you try it. This is what it looks like.
I done knocked it already. I ain't even tried.
Come on. You just don't want to focus. Oh, Morgan, wait. Don't taste it. Here, Morgan. Here, try it. Come on. You picked it. It smells like
Fruit.
a fruit.
The fruit.
I think it's a tamarind or like a nut, kind of. A nut, a plum. Is it a tamarind plum? Plum. I don't know. Are you ready? It don't smell chocolatey. It's made with real fruit, so we don't know. You taste it?
All right, let's taste it. We tasting?
Is this how tahini and stuff supposed to taste? Probably.
Is it hot? Is
Not
it hot?
tahini. Tahini and what's the name of it? Kamoi and tahini.
Is it hot?
This ain't bad.
You try it.
I like it. It have sweetness to it. It have a little spice to it. What I love is kind of limey. That's probably why he like, Oh, we're a little foggy. Fuzzy. You don't like it either?
Give me all. Give me.
Anyways, it has a little spice to it. It has a little sweetness to it, a little tart to it. I like it. I think this is how tahini and Komori supposed to taste.
Rich crackers.
What you tripping on?
Nasty.
What you don't like?
I don't like it.
Stop eating my lunch crackers.
I made my cup of tea.
What part you don't like?
The whole thing.
What part about it you don't like?
I don't like the way it tastes. I don't like the texture of it.
Oh, you don't like the texture either?
I don't like the smell of it. I don't like the hotness of it.
It's not hot. I mean,
I don't like it.
it's spicy.
I don't like it.
I swear, this is what I think. You put that. I thought that was a nut. That's not a nut. That's a fruit.
I don't know what that is. That's nasty.
Tamarind's a fruit. I think it's a plum.
If it's a plum.
But it doesn't look like a plum. It's. I think it's made like those.
I don't like this.
It does have.
I don't-
It is have a spice. It does have a spice
I
to
don't
it,
like it.
and I like it. It's a unique
I hate it.
flavor. A very unique flavor. Morgan, did you taste it?
You liked it?
She said, Would you buy it again? What that mean? What that mean? Hey, bring one to your friend. You think she should eat it?
You don't go to school. How am I supposed to bring somebody something?
She might like it. Anyways, Morgan just said about everything. So I don't know what means. I'm guessing not no, but not yes. Let me pull this up. It's like a little. Me, I probably wouldn't buy them again, but I like them. They're
Me?
sweet, tangy, and spicy. Kind of like the tahini and the kamori.
Me personally, no. Heck no. Throw that out the window.
He said no, heck no. I don't know what he don't like about it. I don't know if it's the spiciness.
It's
It's
everything.
the,
It's everything about it. I don't like it.
Is it the
That's like
sourness
that's
of
like
it?
the worst thing.
So, anyways, if you like, I mean, it does have a little salt to it too, huh?
It's
Mhm.
nasty.
It's not nasty. I'm trying to see what it had. Come on, Corona.
Man, that's how nasty it is.
That's not how nasty it is. Going with that. But what I'm trying to say is I think it is mixed with tahini. See, I love all that type of stuff. I put tahini on everything. So if you don't know what I'm talking about with tahini, that's the little bottle of flavor that has like the chili and the lime. I put that on everything. So I like that. He, on the other hand, do not even much like that. So probably that's the reason why he don't like it. So it's kind of like that. Yeah, exactly like that. Because I have right now in the refrigerator some mangoes with tahini sprinkled on top of it, and he do not eat it. So yeah, it's a unique flavor. But if you want to try it, it's only like what, $2? How much was it? Like $2.30, something like that. She don't know. I think it was like $2 and something. But this is the box once again. If you want to focus, Morgan was the one who picked this out. And she said she's seen a lot of people tasting it. So, I guess that's it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quiet, very quiet.
Very quiet.
With Morgan. Taste Test Tuesday. Morgan, do you want to say anything to the folk? She sound like a little mutt.
I think she ready to go sleep.
She ready to go sleep, but you can't do it just yet. So I hope everybody enjoyed this Taste Test Tuesday. Without further ado, I hope everyone stays safe and don't forget to stay blessed.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Tell him bye, Morgan.
Hmm.
Bye, y'all.
For y'all.